X Layout just sent me their X Pocket for my review, and this thing is super cool. By the way, I'm no stranger to X Layout, and I don't usually do unboxings. This thing needs to be unboxed. Look how beautifully, carefully they take care of this packaging. Look at that. So obviously you see the X. Open this up, get a nice little manual. Look at this. They've thought of everything, but I really am interested in this. This is a wallet, MagSafe wallet, that will actually fit your phone. Check how it's built. I love the sleek design. This is plastic, yes. There is a magnet here, so I'm going to take this off so you can actually see how crazy the magnet is. Look at that. Boom. Done. And it's not going anywhere. And the really nice thing with this is that now it can become a stand if I wanted to. It's not just a stand because this is still a wallet, and I'll show you that in just a second. But I do love that you have different ways to, prop your phone when you need it. And this doesn't make it that much bulkier in my pocket. And I love the fact that if it does come into my pocket or fit in my pocket, when I bring it out, it's not slipping out, it's not falling off. The magnet is strong enough, which is a really good thing. Now, let's talk about what this is too, because this is a wallet. Check this out. Open this up. You've got a little cash, like a little thing with an elastic here. You just slip your cash in here, and then you've got room for about 3 credit card style, so debit card, IDs, whatever. 3 cards here and some cash here. Close that up. And I love the fact that it is locked. So when you're actually wearing it, when you're actually even just using it as a stand, people don't even notice that you might have some stuff in there. And the cool thing is that it's not like the cards are kind of just like peeking through or ready to slip out. They're not. They're not going to slip out in your pocket, and they're not going to slip out while you're using your phone as well, which is a really nice thing. And it doesn't add a lot of bulkiness or weight to your phone, which I think is great. They have thought of everything. I love, love, love the fact that it's not just a little magnet, but it's the whole thing. Wow, really, really cool.